Hello everyone and welcome back to Banana Life. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of yoga, a practice that's been celebrated for thousands of years and continues to be a powerful tool for enhancing overall health. Whether you're new to yoga or a seasoned practitioner, this video is for you. We'll explore the incredible benefits of yoga for your mind, body, and spirit, and why incorporating it into your daily routine can be transformative. From improving physical fitness and flexibility to reducing stress and enhancing mental clarity, yoga has something to offer everyone. So, let's get started on this journey to better health through yoga. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India over 5,000 years ago. It combines physical postures, breath control, meditation, and ethical principles to promote harmony between the mind, body, and spirit. The word yoga itself means union, reflecting its goal of connecting the individual with a higher state of consciousness. While many people associate yoga with physical exercise, it is much more than just a workout. It is a holistic practice that can have profound effects on every aspect of your health and well-being. One of the most well-known benefits of yoga is its ability to improve physical fitness. Yoga involves a series of postures or asanas that strengthen and stretch the muscles, improve balance, and enhance flexibility. Unlike traditional workouts that focus on specific muscle groups, yoga works the entire body, creating a balanced and harmonious physique. Regular practice can lead to increased muscle tone, better posture, and greater overall physical strength. Additionally, yoga is low impact, making it accessible to people of all ages and fitness levels. Flexibility is another key benefit of yoga. Many people are drawn to yoga to improve their flexibility, and for good reason. Yoga postures gently stretch the muscles and connective tissues, increasing the range of motion in the joints. Over time, this can lead to greater flexibility and reduced stiffness. Improved flexibility not only enhances your physical performance, but also reduces the risk of injury in everyday activities. Whether you're an athlete looking to enhance your performance or someone seeking to move more comfortably in daily life, yoga can help you achieve your goals. Balance and coordination are also significantly enhanced through yoga. Many yoga poses require you to stabilize your body while holding challenging positions. This helps to develop proprioception, or the awareness of your body and space. As a result, you become more attuned to your body's movements and improve your ability to maintain balance in various situations. This is especially important as we age, as maintaining good balance can prevent falls and injuries. Beyond physical fitness, yoga has a profound impact on mental and emotional well-being. One of the primary reasons people turn to yoga is to manage stress. In today's fast-paced world, stress is a common experience that can take a toll on both mental and physical health. Yoga offers a natural and effective way to reduce stress and promote relaxation. The combination of physical movement, controlled breathing, and meditation helps to calm the nervous system and lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol. By practicing yoga regularly, you can create a greater sense of inner peace and resilience, making it easier to cope with life's challenges. Yoga is also a powerful tool for enhancing mental clarity and focus. The practice encourages mindfulness, or the ability to stay present and fully engaged in the moment. By focusing on your breath and the sensations in your body, you can quiet the mind and reduce mental chatter. This mindfulness carries over into daily life, helping you to stay focused, make better decisions, and respond more calmly to stressful situations. Whether you're looking to improve your concentration at work or find more mental clarity in your personal life, yoga can help you achieve these goals. Emotional well-being is another area where yoga shines. Yoga encourages self-awareness and self-compassion, helping you to develop a more positive relationship with yourself. Through the practice of meditation and reflection, you can gain insight into your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to process them in a healthy way. Yoga also promotes the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones, which can lift your mood and create a sense of overall well-being. Many people find that regular yoga practice helps them to feel more balanced, grounded, and content. Sleep is another area where yoga can have a significant impact. If you struggle with insomnia or poor sleep quality, yoga may be the solution you've been looking for. The relaxation and stress reduction benefits of yoga extend to better sleep. Certain yoga postures and breathing techniques are specifically designed to calm the mind and prepare the body for rest. Practicing yoga before bedtime can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling more refreshed. By improving your sleep quality, yoga can have a ripple effect on your overall health, enhancing your energy levels, mood, and cognitive function. In addition to its mental and emotional benefits, yoga also supports cardiovascular health. While yoga is often considered a gentle form of exercise, it can be surprisingly effective at improving heart health. The physical postures, combined with controlled breathing, help to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve circulation. Some forms of yoga, such as vinyasa or power yoga, are more vigorous and can provide an excellent cardiovascular workout. By incorporating yoga into your routine, you can strengthen your heart, improve your cardiovascular fitness, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Yoga also has a positive effect on the respiratory system. Many yoga practices emphasize the importance of deep, mindful breathing, also known as pranayama. This focus on breath control helps to increase lung capacity, improve oxygenation of the blood, and enhance overall respiratory function. For people with respiratory conditions such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, yoga can be particularly beneficial. By practicing pranayama regularly, you can improve your breathing efficiency, reduce symptoms, and experience greater ease in your daily activities. Digestive health is another area where yoga can make a difference. Certain yoga postures, such as twists and forward bends, are known to stimulate digestion and promote the elimination of toxins from the body. These postures help to massage the internal organs, improve circulation to the digestive tract, and support the body's natural detoxification processes. If you struggle with digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, or indigestion, incorporating yoga into your routine may help to alleviate these symptoms and improve your overall digestive health. Yoga is also known to support the immune system. Stress is a major factor in immune system suppression, and as we've discussed, yoga is highly effective at reducing stress. By lowering stress levels, yoga helps to strengthen the immune system, making you less susceptible to illness. Additionally, the physical activity involved in yoga promotes circulation, which helps to transport immune cells throughout the body more effectively. The combination of physical movement, breath control, and relaxation makes yoga a powerful tool for boosting your immune function and maintaining overall health. For those looking to maintain a healthy weight, yoga can be a valuable part of your fitness routine. While yoga may not burn as many calories as some high-intensity workouts, it offers unique benefits for weight management. Yoga promotes mindfulness and self-awareness, which can help you make healthier choices when it comes to eating and exercise. Additionally, certain styles of yoga, such as power yoga or vinyasa, can provide a challenging workout that builds strength, burns calories, and increases metabolism. By incorporating yoga into a balanced fitness regimen, you can achieve and maintain a healthy weight while also enjoying the many other benefits of the practice. Bone health is another important benefit of yoga. Weight-bearing exercises are essential for maintaining strong bones, and yoga provides an excellent way to build and preserve bone density. Many yoga postures require you to support your body weight in various ways, which stimulates bone growth and strengthens the skeletal system. For people at risk of osteoporosis or those looking to maintain healthy bones as they age, yoga can be an effective and enjoyable way to support bone health. Yoga is also beneficial for joint health. The gentle stretching and strengthening of the muscles and connective tissues around the joints help to improve joint mobility and reduce stiffness. For people with arthritis or other joint conditions, yoga can provide relief from pain and improve the range of motion. The low-impact nature of yoga makes it an ideal form of exercise for those with joint concerns, allowing them to stay active without putting undue strain on their joints. In addition to its physical benefits, yoga is also a powerful tool for spiritual growth. While the physical postures are often the focus in the West, yoga is traditionally a spiritual practice that aims to connect the individual with a higher state of consciousness. Through meditation, breath control, and ethical principles, yoga encourages self-reflection, inner peace, and a sense of connection with the universe. For those who are interested in exploring the spiritual side of yoga, there are many practices and teachings that can help you deepen your understanding and experience of this ancient tradition. Yoga is also a practice that promotes community and connection. Many people find that practicing yoga in a group setting, whether in a class or online, helps to foster a sense of belonging and support. The shared experience of practicing yoga together can create bonds and friendships that enhance your overall well-being. Additionally, yoga encourages compassion and kindness, both towards yourself and others, which can strengthen your relationships and create a more positive and harmonious environment. Another significant benefit of yoga is its ability to enhance creativity. The practice of yoga encourages you to quiet the mind and tap into your inner resources, which can lead to greater creativity and inspiration. Whether you're an artist, writer, musician, or simply looking to bring more creativity into your life, yoga can help you access your creative potential and express yourself more fully. Finally, yoga is a practice that promotes lifelong well-being. Unlike some forms of exercise that may become more challenging as we age, yoga can be adapted to suit people of all ages and abilities. Whether you're young or old, fit or unfit, there is a style of yoga that can meet your needs and help you maintain your health and vitality throughout your life. The holistic nature of yoga makes it a practice that supports every aspect of your well-being, from physical fitness to mental clarity to spiritual growth. In conclusion, the benefits of yoga for overall health are vast and far-reaching. From improving physical fitness, flexibility, and balance to reducing stress, enhancing mental clarity, and supporting emotional well-being, yoga offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking to improve your heart health, boost your immune system, or simply find a greater sense of inner peace, yoga can help you achieve your goals. By incorporating yoga into your daily routine, you can experience the transformative power of this ancient practice and enjoy a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for tuning into Banana Life. We hope this video has shed light on the many benefits of yoga for overall health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from understanding more about the incredible power of yoga. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.